So when a lot of y'all are going to your doctors and they're coming back with results that you all have a high count of white blood cells, that's not true. Parasites can mimic white blood cells as well. Oh yeah, you don't believe me? Take a look at this. And it says, yes, some parasites can mimic white blood cells or express proteins that resemble host proteins to evade the immune system. This is a strategy called molecular mimicry, where the parasite creates molecules that look like those of the host, tricking the immune system into leaving the parasite alone. A lot of y'all are being misdiagnosed with something that they call cancer, but the cancer don't kill you. All right, it's the biopsies that's killing you. It's the chemo that's killing you. The biopsy, what it does is it starts to send a frequency through the body, which agitates the nest of the parasites, and they start to scatter throughout the body to lay microtubules to then lay infections and polymers so that they can replicate throughout the body even faster through aggression. Not only that, but the parasites, when they start to mimic red blood cells, they become spiked. That's what they call a cancer cell, but it's not a cancer cell. It's a parasite mimicking your red blood cell, which makes the parasite become spiked. Take a look at this. And it says, cancer cells often exhibit spiky or irregular shapes due to alterations in their DNA and the subsequent changes in their cytoskeleton, which is responsible for cell shape and structure. And it says some parasites can mimic blood cells and even induce them to spike or change shape as part of their life cycle and strategy for infecting and multiplying within the host. This process can involve modifying the red blood cell's membrane or surface, allowing the parasite to better attach, invade, and survive. And it says, the phrase parasite mimicry of cancer cell is spiked, suggests that cancer cells might be mimicking the surface characteristics of parasites to evade their host immune system. They just put it backwards, y'all. It said this mimicry, potentially involving the use of parasite antigens, could allow cancer cells to hide from the immune system and promote tumor growth. And it goes on to say that, yes, some parasitic infections can mimic cancer. And sometimes making diagnosis difficult and leading to misinterpretations. Parasites can cause tumors, inflammation, and other symptoms that resemble cancer. And in some cases, parasites can even spread within the body like cancer. They can spread within the body like cancer. Why? Because they are the cancer. There's something in the body called protocells. These are early manifestation of cells that creates a barrier to protect you from parasites and all other intracellular viruses. So, what enhances the defense of protocells? First, let's see what it is, and then we'll give you the solution to enhance it. Let's go. And it says that protocells, precellular structures, can inhibit parasites by creating a physical barrier separating different genomes and preventing the spread of parasite-infected cells. This compartmentalization allows cells with cooperative traits like replication to flourish, while those with parasites are unable to replicate. So if protocells protect against parasites in the body, how do we enhance protocells in the body? It says Lycium barbarum, also known as goji berries, has shown potential in enhancing protocell development and function, particularly through its polysaccharide content. Studies suggest that Lycium barbarum polysaccharide can promote the growth of probiotic bacteria and modulate the gut microbiota, potentially benefiting overall cell health.